Hello guys! Nibalik na ko karon. O akong tiwasan na ako ang storya ninyo. Ayaw mo kalimot katong wala pa naka-follow sa akong page. Please follow my page kay naay ni akong pasabog sa umaabot. Well, looking back, all I can say is only one thing, and that is thank you, Lord. Every step, every trial, and every tear all lead me here. My journey taught me the power of gratitude. And that is thank you, and many thanks. Really. My story is not just about rising from poverty and from being broken, but it's all about faith, perseverance, and the love that kept me moving. I am grateful for the pain because it made me stronger. I am grateful for the struggles because they gave me wisdom. And most of all, I am grateful for the blessings because they allow me to inspire and help others. Today, I stand as someone who has it all, but as someone who continues to walk with faith and ready to face what's next. This is not the end of my story. This is just another beginning, and I will keep moving forward with gratitude in my heart. For those who did not yet follow my page, please follow my page for more videos and more stories. Thank you for watching. Bye.